Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the word problems multiply and divide for grade 3. First problem is Ravi earns 345 rupees in a day. How much money does he earn in 31 days? So first of all we know Ravi earns 345 rupees in a day. So we know earning in one day, that is rupees 345. Now we want to find out earning in 31 days. So for more, एक से ज़्यादा के लिए अगर हमने फाइंड आउट करना है, इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट फॉर मोर, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 345 with 31. Then only we will get how much earning in 31 days. So let us multiply 345 into 31. So we will multiply it. First of all we will multiply 1 with 345. So multiply 1 with 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. Then put a cross here. Afterwards multiply 3 with 5. 3 5s are 15. So 1 will be carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Again 1 carry. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. Now we have to add both the numbers. Now 5 plus, here is nothing, so we will write here 5. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 3 6. 0 and here will be 1. So the total earning in 31 days will be rupees 10,695. Next is, if one roll of paper weighs 92 kg, then what is the total weight of 13 such rolls? So we know the weight of one roll. Weight of one roll is 92 kg. Now we want to find out the weight of 13 such rolls. तो ऐसे ही 13 rolls का weight कितना होगा? What we have to do? We have to multiply 92 by 13. So let us multiply 92 by 13. First of all we will multiply 3 with 92. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27. Now again put the cross under 6. तो वंस डिजिट के नीचे आपने क्रॉस लगाना है. Now we will multiply 1 with 2 and then 1 with 9. 1 2s are 2 and 1 9s are 9. Now add up. Add कर देंगे. So 6 plus here is nothing, so it will be 6. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 2 11. So it will be 1196 kg. So the weight of 13 rolls comes out to be 1196 kg. Next is, how many seconds are there in 95 minutes? 95 minutes में कितने seconds हैं? How many seconds are there in 95 minutes? We know in 1 minute how many seconds are there? 60 seconds. So in 95 minutes how many seconds will be there? We have to just multiply 95 with 60. तो जब भी हमने ज़्यादा नंबर निकालना है we have to do multiplication. Clear? Now we will multiply 95 by 60. First of all we will multiply 95 with 0. 0 5s are 0. 0 9s are 0. Put a cross under 0. Now 6 5s are 30. So 3 will be carried here. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 3 57. Now add up both. When we add 0 0 plus 0 0 7 and here is 5. So there are 5700 seconds in 95 minutes. Next question is, the cost of 6 pen sets is rupees 360. what is the cost of each pen set? Now we are given the cost of 6 pen sets. तो 6 pen sets की cost given है. We have to find out the cost of each pen set. तो एक pen set की जो हमने cost है वो find out करनी है. For finding out for one, एक के लिए जब हमने find out करना है, what we have to do? We have to divide. Clear? एक के लिए जब करना है then we will divide, और अगर ज्यादा के लिए करना हो then we will multiply. So cost of 6 pen sets, it is rupees 360. Now we have to find out cost of one pen set. One हो या each हो, both meaning same. It means you have to divide rupees 360 by 6. तो हम इसे divide कर देंगे. We will divide it 360 by 6. तो 6 6 are 36. 0. Now this 0 will come out and एक 0 जो बच गई है वो 0 हम यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे. क्लियर? बिकॉज 6 zeros आर अगेन 0. तो 0 में से 0 माइनस किया, 0 आ गया. ठीक है. सो रुपीज 60 विल बी आर आंसर. तो जो क्वोशंट होगा दैट विल बी आर आंसर. क्लियर? So cost of 6 pens was given. 6 pens की cost given है, that is rupees 360. Cost of 1 pen set. 1 pen set के लिए निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Divide. Clear? जब हम एक चीज के लिए निकालेंगे then we will divide. ज्यादा के लिए हम करते हैं multiply. After doing the division we can get the answer rupees 60. Next is a fruit seller packed 135 mangoes equally in 9 baskets. Now how many mangoes did each basket hold? Now he has how many mangoes? Total mangoes. कितने mangoes हैं उसके पास? 135. और baskets कितनी हैं? How many baskets are there? 9. So he is equally dividing the mangoes in each basket. So what we have to do? We have to equally divide the mangoes in each basket. So each basket holds. तो कितने मैंगोज आएंगे? We will divide 135 by 9. So let us do the division. Division कर लेंगे. 135 divided by 9. This is the division sign. So first of all we will read the table. 9 ones are 9. Do the subtraction and then 5 को नीचे लेके आओ. It will become 45. Now we know 9 5s are 45. Do the subtraction again and we get the result as 0. तो जो quotient है that is our answer. It means 15 mangoes each basket will hold. तो हर basket में 15 mangoes आएंगे. Next is if rupees 270 are to be equally distributed among 3 beggars, then how many rupees each beggar will get? अब देखो total money कितनी है? How much money? We are given the total money that is rupees 270. अभी कितने number of beggars में divide होनी है? Number of beggars are 3. अब equally divide करनी है. How many rupees each beggar will get? If it is distributed equally ये divide हो रही है, then what we have to do when we are dividing it equally, distributing equally, it means we have to divide. So each beggar will get. कितने रुपीस वो get करेगा? We will divide rupees 270 by 3. So let us divide it. 270 को 3 से divide करते हैं. We know 3 9s are 27. माइनस कर दो, 0 आ गया. ये 0 नीचे लेके आओ. नाउ 3 zeros आर 0. तो 0 में से 0 माइनस करेंगे, अगेन वी विल गेट अ 0. सो हर बैगर को कितने रुपीज मिलेंगे? रुपीज 90. इस 0 का खास ध्यान रखना है. दिस 0